Okay, good afternoon and welcome to the Goblin Hill Villas. I'm Calvin, the bartender right here. As you can see, we're laid back in the tropical paradise of Jamaica. Now today we're gonna make the rum punch, the Jamaican style. First we add a bit of white rum, overproof. Then we get some dark rum. And then we're gonna use the multi-talented grapefruit juice. I'm gonna add a bit of spice. I'm gonna add the pimento and I'm gonna add the rosemary. Okay? First, to get the flavors from the pimento, I'm going to crush it like this. Add it to my ice. Small bit of rosemary, we don't want the smell to be too strong inside. This. So, for the alcohol, for the rum, it's like ½ ounce white rum. 1 ounce dark rum. 3 ounces of thing. And then you shake. So now I'm going to add some Angostura bitters, like 1 drop. Okay. Then I'm going to add some strawberry syrup to add some color to it. Like probably ½ teaspoon or a teaspoon, depending on how sweet you want it. Yeah, man. Then we serve.
Lovely. So now, Angela, I'm gonna do the taste test. This is the old Jamaican palate, which will know whether this is the rum punch of rum punch.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Pretty good, Calvin. Wonderful.
Glad you like it.
Yes, I like. Not too strong, just for an older like me. So Angela, I think you should come and have a taste.
So now I get to try the rum punch, Goblin Hill rum punch. Strong, but good. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Very good, Calvin. Thank you. Thanks for sharing your recipes. Delicious.
I'm glad you enjoy it.
I do. Thank you.